Salooh has been covered in his own filth. And considering the climate here, we thought he'd be, you know, like he'd catch another disease or something, bugs, but not. So we decided to wash him. We're gonna thoroughly dry him though with a blow dryer and everything.
And towel. There you go, boy.
Apparently that towel is so fucking cheap that the red is coming off.
Yeah, I think it's it's coming off and he's a little bit pink. They can get me another towel. I think it's on my hands actually.
Salooh's going to the vet again. He's looking up. He's looking good. Sort of. Little, yeah. He can't walk yet, but well, anything's better than nothing.
Baby steps, literally.
I'm not as sad as I was before, but I mean that's good. And I think he's gonna recover. I have more hope now. I definitely have more hope. Look at my husband's amazing fashion.
Oh yeah. Queer eye for the straight guy, they ain't got nothing on me.
Look at that. Salooh's more lively. Look.
Hey. Aw, look at the little cutie. Yeah, that is an adorable dog.
Nice teddy
Adorable
bear.
munch curving adorable dog.
So many kisses.
It's a very affectionate dog.
Oh, you want to go back to your friend?
You cute.
Let's go to your friend. The dog in there is like in critical condition, so we have to wait. The poor vet is understaffed because apparently they can't find anyone because apparently no one wants to clean poop.
Well, it's not a particularly glamorous position, is it?
Oh well. Anyways, we're gonna wait. There's some people still in line.
Munchie's hugging the puppy again. She can't stay away. But then look at those soulful eyes. Who could? Oh, that is cute as hell. Ah, little puppy. Little puppy.
Don't bite the mic, okay?
And he's gonna bite the mic. Oh, cute. Munchie made a new friend. Talk to it in this language, Munchie. Oh, that's cute. You're so photogenic, Munchie. Everyone has to take pictures of you. Doesn't like the cleaning of the air mites. Oh, look at this poor cat. Oh. Looks like he's been through the ringer. Oh, cleaning the air. Oh, poor cat. It's very scared. Salooh's moving a little. Like we're just waiting our turn because the vet's currently busy with the other cat. It fits in a little tub.
It's sick. Why it's all water?
Yeah, water. It's rain.
It's rain.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Trying to buy rice. Eamon's gonna pay the bill.
The internet bill.
Internet bill. Look at all those grapes.
What grapes?
Those grapes.
I don't know where I'm looking, but
There, the grapes.
Oh yeah, okay, I was overlooking them.
They're nice grapes. We bought this really cool contraption that you put the pill in, or food, or anything. I think it's here on the instruction.
Well, you put it in.
Yeah, there you go.
And you shove it into the throat, and then you release it, and it lets the pill go down.
Yeah, we'll show you how it works.
Yeah. So yeah, we put the pill in the little grasper thing here, and then when you put it down the throat, you can poke it.
This is Joffy, the Traveling Bear. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe. If you don't like the video, like, comment and subscribe anyway. Let's be honest, my owners need all the help they can get. And don't forget to click the bell, so you would get a notification whenever a new video is up. See you next time on Munchie Pow Adventures.